Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Authentik versus Keycloak versus Authelia. So, if you don't know what these three are, Authentik is a modern self-hosted identity provider, or IDP, with UI-based setup and support for OIDC, SAML, and LDAP. And Keycloak, on the other hand, is an enterprise-grade open source by IDP Red Hat with advanced features and protocol support. And Authelia, on the other hand, is a self-hosted authentication and access gateway mainly used with reverse proxies. So let's go over the pros and cons, starting with Authentik here. So the pros of it is that it has a clean UI and user-friendly. It supports SAML, OIDC, and LDAP, and great for modern self-hosted stacks. Now the cons of it is that it is still maturing and has a smaller ecosystem than Keycloak. So the pros of Keycloak here is that it is full-featured OIDC, SAML, LDAP, and MFA, and more. It is scalable and stable, and has a huge community and support. Now the cons of it is that it has a complex setup and maintenance, and it has a rather outdated or dated UI. And finally, the pros of Authelia here is that it has great 2FA support. It is simple for securing web services, and lightweight and privacy friendly. Now the cons of it is that it is not a full LDP, which has no OIDC and SAML, and YAML config can be tedious. So which one is right for you? So choose Authentik for a modern balanced IDP with easy UI, pick Keycloak for large-scale enterprise level identity needs, and use Authelia to add 2FA or two-factor authentication and access to control self-hosted services, but not for full identity federation. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.